talking about common illnesses. What is a headache? You have a headache when you feel pain in your head. What is an earache? You have an earache when you feel pain in your ear. What is a stomach ache? You have a stomach ache when you feel pain in your stomach. What is a backache? You have a backache when you feel pain in your back. What is a toothache? You have a toothache when you feel pain in a tooth. What is a cough? You have a cough when you make a sharp coughing sound. What is a sore throat? You have a sore throat when you feel pain in your throat. What is a runny nose? You have a runny nose when your nose is dripping. What is a fever? You have a fever when you feel hot and have a high temperature. What is the flu? You have the flu when you have a headache, sore throat, cough, runny nose, and a fever. What is a cold? You have a cold when you have a headache, sore throat, cough, and runny nose.